In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove two-factor authentication on ElevenLabs quickly and safely. Two-factor authentication is one of the easiest ways to protect your account, especially if you use ElevenLabs regularly for voice generation, voice cloning, or any other AI audio work. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your ElevenLabs account and look to the top corner of the screen for your profile icon. Go ahead and click that profile icon to open your account menu. From there, click Settings. This will take you into your account settings where you can manage your profile, security, and other account options. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you see the two-factor authentication section. Depending on the layout, it may be labeled two-factor authentication or two-factor authentication, but it should be the security section you're looking for. If two-factor authentication is not enabled yet, you'll see an option to add it. Click Add Two-Factor Authentication to begin the setup process. ElevenLabs will then display a QR code on the screen. Now open your Authenticator app on your phone, such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or any compatible app, and scan the QR code. After scanning it, your Authenticator app will generate a verification code. Enter that code into the box provided on ElevenLabs. Make sure you type it carefully and use the current code before it expires. Once the code is entered, click Verify and Enable. After that, two-factor authentication will be turned on for your ElevenLabs account, giving you an extra layer of security every time you sign in. Now, if you ever want to remove two-factor authentication later, you can return to the same settings area, open the two-factor authentication section again, and follow the disable or remove option if it's available in your account. The exact wording may change slightly depending on your account interface, but the process will always start in the same place under settings. And that's it. You've now learned how to add two-factor authentication on ElevenLabs and better protect your account from unauthorized access. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.